How to change language in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your language in Microsoft OneNote. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to your Microsoft OneNote. Once you have created a new notebook, you can see settings icon in the top right. Just tap on it and then you can see change your language. Tap on it. And now a new browser will open up and you can see language and reason option. So under languages, you can see display language. If you want to change it, just tap on it and tap on change display language. And you can choose from the various languages here or search for the language that you want to change to. Just tap on it and then hit select. And if you want to change preferred language, then same tap on it, tap on add language and choose the language of your choice. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.